In today's capital food adventure, we check out Chengdu's famous hot pot.
Let's go!
Alright, so we have checked into our Airbnb and now we're on our way to have some dinner. We're gonna go have some hot pot, right, Cindy?
Hotpot, Xiaolongkan Hotpot.
Exactly right.
It's like Haidilao, sounds like a really popular one.
Oh, really? It's like Haidilao?
Yeah, one of this one is actually in Melbourne. It's always a long queue, so it's good chance to have a taste of this one in Sichuan.
Alright, cool. Sounds good. Let's check it out. Alright, so it looks like there's always something happening in Chengdu apparently, Cindy. There's a skateboarding competition right behind us that we got to check out. That's kind of cool. What do you reckon?
Make some noise.
Whoa, whoa. What do you think about Chengdu so far?
Temperature is cool, not as hot as Xi'an, and it's very humid.
Alright, Cindy, 3 things about hot pot that you really like.
I like meat,
Alright.
like spicy, and also it's healthy because you can eat lots of vegetables, not processed, very fresh.
Alright, that's great, Cindy. 3 things. You gave me 12.
What's your 3 things then?
I like the mouthfeel. As in, the different foods that you cook, they all have a different kind of texture.
Yeah.
Some of them are rubbery, some of them are chewy, some of them are crunchy. Also, I really like getting the different flavors. So, for example, there are really spicy ones, and then you also have like the what's the other flavor? Mushroom. There's like a mushroom flavored one,
mushroom, yeah.
which is quite nice as well. That's
It's
about.
also Hotpot is the occasion of family get together and eat together.
Speaking of family, we've got ours. Weight bound there. Whoa! Wonderful. This is going to be great. We're here. We made it.
If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button.
Alright, so we braved the rain and have come out to Xialongkan. And these guys have got some really nice hot pot options. So essentially the way that you order this one here is you find what you want and you tick it off one by one. It's going to be awesome. We've chosen today that we're going to get the half-half. So there's going to be 2 different soups for our delicious hot pot, and it's going to be delicious. Look at that. Whoa. Give it a try. Give it a dip in that salt.
Oh, all the sauce.
Cindy, ever since I arrived in China, I've been craving this delicious Chengdu hot pot. And now that we have it, I am so satisfied. Oh, it smells so good. What do you reckon?
I love it. Let's eat as a Chengdunese.
Eat as a Chengdunese in Chengdu.
Enjoy the hot pot paradise.
What do we have here? A sugar 是什么？
Brown sugar spa.
Wow.
It's like a rice cake.
It's good. It's hot. Sticky rice, pounded down into like a nice mochi consistency, fried, covered in brown sugar or some sort of molasses. It's delicious. Spicy, middle spicy.
中等辣，middle 辣。
弱辣，微辣。
Well, that was absolutely delicious. Good thing they give you these little aprons because there's like hot juice splashing around everywhere. It's like, and it's an oil-based broth, so it is incredibly hot. I got my hands burned a little bit, so did Cindy. We love Xiaolongkan so much that we want to bring this flavor back home to mum and dad. So we're going to take some of these. I think 4 will be good enough. I think so. 4, we've got to share the love.
You want to try some of those or not?
It's got meat in it, so I can't bring it back home. I think mum and dad are going to love this. Thank you. Alright. Whoa.
吃饱了。
吃饱了。
Okay, so where we are located right now, I swear to God, there is a hot pot place at every corner, around every bend. I just saw 3 or 4 different hot pot venues. It was crazy. Cindy, did you see that? There was 4, and there's one right in front of us right now.
Hot pot paradise.
Hot pot paradise.
It's Fred and Gus. Wow, Cindy, so we've made it to the Mao Zedong statue in Chengdu.
Is right in the center of this city. Very fancy, very cool, and it has some cool statue around. Lots of shopping mall along the way. So we walk from Trinity Road to here, and just shopping mall from one aircon to another aircon.
That's not exactly true. That's not how I remember it at all.
Cindy has plotted a destination 12 blocks down this lonely road, and it is hot. I foolishly decided to wear pants, and I'm regretting it.